Hi friends, welcome to Aisha Unfiltered. Few days back on YouTube, I had seen some watery slimy thingy. I asked my mother to research it and she said it's called the magical water elf. So the next day, she got me this magical watery elf. I was so excited to know what's inside it. Let me show you what's there inside it. And if you want to buy it, you can buy it on Amazon. See? Wow, it looks so nice. They have given you an instruction manual. There's step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have to follow these steps. See, there are some colors. There is yellow, there is orange, there is blue and there is green. These are the molds where you have to put the colors in it. There is what is this called? I think it's a crab.
It's a turtle, Aisha.
Oh my god, it looks like a crab. This is a deer. This is a deer. This is a butterfly and this is an apple. So they have given a strainer. Like if you have to take the jelly thingy out of the mold, you just need to take it in the strainer and remove it. This is one stirrer and you need to mix the Sprite thingy which they have given. You need to put this in the water and mix it. So you use this with this. Then you have the brush. If some part of the mold gets stuck in this, you can remove it with the brush. There is one more thing. In case if some very small particle gets stuck, then you should remove it with this because it's very thin. And there is gloves. If you want to wear it, you can wear it. This looks very interesting. Let me show you how it works. Let me read the manual. First they tell prepare 500 to 100 ml of water. And they have even told use little warm water. So be careful and ask some adult to stay next to you to get the hot water. Like I am asking my mother. Mama, get some hot water.
Okay.
So excited.
So you want warm water, right? Just put
Yeah.
this water a little bit.
And if you want to with little warm water, you can put some normal water and hot water for some other method. Like I am putting some normal water and hot water. Done. Give me the warm water. Hot water, I meant. Before putting the mold, check the water. If it's very hot, then the mold won't become. So now let's start. You can take any mold. Like I'm taking the apple and I'm making it. So you have to take the gel and put it in it. And you can put any color if you want. I'm going to put orange, but the blue is my favorite actually. I put the orange. No, I put the green up on the stem part. And see, you get it green now. And now where's the cover? Wait. Now I'll put the orange apple. When you're done putting the mold, the Sprite balls I told, you need to put some of it in the water. Like, I'll show you how much. Like maybe this much is enough, so just put it in it. And you have to wait until it gets transparent. And remember the 2 stirrers? You can use any stirrer. I'm using this one. And don't worry, this is a child-friendly Sprite ball. And mix it until it's transparent. Like how are you mixing? So friends, this is what I have made. This is an apple. This is the deer. This is the turtle. It's very fluffy. And the best part of all, I like the noodles. See, it's so squishy. It looks like real noodles but with food color. It looks so awesome. So friends, if you liked it, please like the video. I know if I love it, you will love it too. So please like, share and subscribe. Bye for now.